Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel R Alchemy. In this video, I am going to discuss about the point group shortcuts. There are only 3 steps to identify any point group. Initially, we will split into linear and non-linear molecule. And the linear molecule is just divided into 2 types. Further, linear molecule is divided into symmetric and asymmetric. Asymmetric means like H2 and O2 within a molecule, the symmetric molecule. Symmetric means H2, O2 and N2, and asymmetric means HCl and HN. Asymmetric means only one possible C infinity V, no other point group came. If asymmetric means D infinity H. Therefore, when the molecule is linear, there are only 2 possible of point group. One is C infinity V and another one is D infinity H. No other option. If symmetric, C infinity V. If asymmetric, D infinity H. If non-linear, then again 2 types of category. And next one is if your molecule possesses Cn which is perpendicular to C2 plane. If your molecule possesses Cn, that is subsidiary axis perpendicular to C2, means then the point group should be D. And if no Cn perpendicular to C2 means then the point group should be D. Here itself you can fix that D or C will come for non-linear molecule. And just to identify whether the molecule possesses subsidiary axis or not, that is Cn which is perpendicular to C2 or not. If any axis perpendicular to C2, then D. If no axis perpendicular to C2 means then C. Then further divided into 2. Then if your molecule possesses sigma H, which is sigma H means the plane which is perpendicular to Cn. Sigma H means the plane which is perpendicular to Cn, plane of symmetry perpendicular to Cn. If there is a sigma H, then the molecule, then point group should be D N H. If no sigma H means then the point group should be D N D. And here in C, if sigma H means then the point group is Cn H. If no sigma H means then CNV. Kindly note there is no DNV point group or CND point group. Therefore, these are the one. That's all about point group. Within a minute, you can identify which point group belongs to the molecule belongs to, and that's all. Therefore, kindly take the screenshot of this. Therefore, here I am repeat, just to identify whether linear or non-linear. That step is very simple. And linear means 2 possible. If symmetric, C infinity V. If asymmetric, D infinity H. If non-linear, mostly all point groups comes under this 4 types. That is DNH, DND, and CNH and CNV. And just to identify whether the molecule possesses a Cn plane which is perpendicular to C2 and sigma H. These are the only 2 steps needed to find a point group. Okay, first step is this one and second step is this one. 2 steps enough to find a point group of the molecule. So, and some more points I will add now. Step 1 to find. Step 1 means I already told, just to find Cn perpendicular to C2. If yes means then D. If no means this step is used to find whether D or C, and this step is used to find whether DNH or D or C and V, like that. Okay, if H present mean then it should be H in the molecule CNH. Okay, note this. If no H means, if D means D, C means V. That's all here. Just 2 step enough. Other point group which is very minor, and CS means only sigma and E. No C rotation, no rotation, nothing. No. If Ci means no sigma plane, no rotation, nothing, only E and I. If Cn means only E and Cn, no sigma. Mostly all point groups, major point groups are comes under these four category. So kindly make a note of it. And this is all about point group. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.